please start.
Yes, sir, please start.
Yes, now all of you tell me that have we started doing the exercise?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, I think we do
You
not.
were saying that
Sir, can you check my one thing?
so you were saying that you will tell us more definition. And
Sir,
we
see.
have done cost and or definitions.
Sir, can you check my this one?
Beta, have you all written the formula?
Yes, sir.
Formula we have not done, sir.
Beta,
So
what are
we
you-
have
Sir,
done
we
only definitions.
Yes, Beta ji, what are you saying?
Sir, we have not done the formula.
So we have not done the formula, we have only done the definitions.
Have you written the formula of profit? Profit equals to SP minus CP. ये आपने लिख लिया होगा.
No, sir.
please check.
So we have not done any.
Shatakshi, show me your notebook. Show me your notebook, Shatakshi.
So please see. 1 minute. I'm refreshing my
Sir,
camera.
can you see my?
Wait. Beta, Shatakshi, just rotate it 90 degrees. Yeah. Wait. We have written the formula, I think. Profit is equal to SP minus CP.
So now see this my.
Profit is when selling price is greater than the cost price. And you have not written the formula.
No, sir.
No problem. We will now write the formula.
So now can I
What
refresh
we
my
will do
camera?
good sir and work
Keep your mics off. Keep your mics off.
ये रहा वन की कमी है एक यहाँ पे गलती
Till
है
now you have written. Abhinav, Vishesh, Parth. All three of you keep your mics off.
Yes,
Abhinav
sir.
Kumar Rathod, mic off करिए.
Okay, sir.
Vishesh and Parth, you
एक
both.
और बच्ची.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So we have to write which you are right. I have to write it from the new page, or I am having a space, so I
You
can
write
write
on the
down
same
from
page.
definitions.
You
Or
can write on the same page.
okay,
Profit is
okay, sir.
equal to SP minus CP. So this is the formula. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. You can calculate profit if you subtract CP from SP. Okay. Loss.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, you can send all the formulas in the group because sir, the page I have written it is not finding.
Pratashi, can you send it on the group?
So what
These
the
formulas.
formula?
Right?
Yes, sir.
So all formulas that I have written in the
All the formulas.
copy.
Whatever we have done in profit
Okay,
and
sir.
loss, send it all on the group.
Okay, sir. So I will be sending. So after the class get over, can I send after the class?
Send it now.
Okay, sir.
We have to write this. Sir, but we have done this.
Sir, I have sent it and I'm turn offing my camera because of the network issue.
Yes. Okay, now we will start the exercise. Exercise 14.1.
Sir, please wait. Sir, please wait. I'm writing all the definitions.
Sir, we have to write this formula.
Yes, beta, obviously.
Sir, but we have written. Sir, so what should we do? Sir,
Yes.
sir, we have written. Sir, so what should we do?
Sir, I have sent it the definitions and formula both on the group,
Very good.
and it's
Now,
deleted
let's
also.
start doing the exercise. I hope you
Sir,
are-
sir, I have done 2 questions.
So we have to do that in the book or notebook.
Exercise first question A, it is to be done in the book. इसमें table आपको दीजिए question A में. That one you have to do in the book. So I am explaining you what you have to do in the question. Okay. For example, in the first one, let me show it to you. See, question A. Now we are starting with the exercise, everyone.
Sir, can you see my?
Abhi ruko beta, let me see this first. So this is your question number A.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
I've done that.
Can you all see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here Mr. Puri bought these items. The first item is bread. This is bread.
The pen.
And the cost price is rupees 8. Selling
Yes,
price
sir.
is rupees 10. Cost price is smaller. Selling price is greater. Am I right? Selling price बड़ा है. तो
Sir,
क्या
see
होगा?
my. Sir, I've done.
Selling price is greater. That means profit होगा या loss होगा? Profit.
Sir, profit.
Profit.
Sir, profit.
कितने रुपीस का profit होगा? कितने रुपीस का profit
Sir,
होगा?
2.
Selling price minus cost price. 10 minus 8 कितने हुए? 2 rupees. So in the profit column, you will write rupees 2. और loss वाले में you will leave blank. Okay.
Okay,
So now
sir.
see.
Okay.
Sir, see my.
And similarly, अगर loss हुआ है तो आप loss वाले में लिख देंगे कितना loss हुआ है. और प्रॉफिट वाले को ब्लैंक छोड़ देंगे. ओके, स्टार्ट डूइंग दिस, डू ऑल द पार्ट्स.
Sir, see my.
हाँ, वेरी गुड.
Sir, only I have to do these two. Sir, but I didn't know.
Sir, I have done.
Very good.
Sir, I know the decimals one also because I have told you yesterday an example from decimals.
Okay.
Sir, आधे का sing. Sir, आधे का sing. Sir, page number.
Wait.
कराओ.
Yeah, page number. All of you done question A?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Sir, I know the B1 also, that how to do that. Can I?
Yes.
Sir, I have done all. Sir, I have done both.
Okay, now those who have done A1, question A, now we will do B. Okay, so for B, you need to learn how to solve equations because we are not going to learn new formula for it. It is a little different question. I will tell you how to solve equations. It is very important to learn equations also. How to solve equations also. This is also a very important thing.
Sir,
So
I know these.
let me tell you how to do. Okay. Question B. Question B, first part. The selling price of radio is given. Selling price, the radio is given. The selling price is given rupees 1,870. 1870. Profit is given. This time the profit is given. How much profit? Rupees 154. 154 rupees का profit हुआ है. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to do B question in book.
In the copies. Question B is to be done in your copies. कैसे करना है आपको, ध्यान से सुनिए. क्वेश्चन बी में आपको टेबल नहीं बनानी है. यू डोंट हैव टू ड्रॉ द टेबल इन योर कॉपीज. जैसे मैं कर रहा हूँ वैसे ही करेंगे. ओके. क्वेश्चन बी, इट इज टू बी डन इन योर कॉपीज. गॉट इट? So just see this.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you see my?
अरे बेटा
Sir, please.
इधर देखिए. Not now.
Sir,
Profit
like this.
is given. Profit अगर दिया हुआ है, so you write the formula of profit. You have to find out the cost price. So a little different question, but you write the formula of profit only. Profit का ही formula लिखेंगे. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. We all know the formula of profit. It is SP minus CP. This is the formula. Now what? You put the values, all the values. Profit की value हमको दी हुई है. What is the profit? 154. You put the value of profit.
154.
Selling price is also given 1870. 1870. Your selling price
So now we have to minus it.
minus CP. Now cost price is not given. You have to find the value of cost price. कैसे निकालेंगे? So this is an
So
equation.
we will be minusing the selling price from the profit.
Yes. So it is an equation. This is an equation. इसको बुलाते हैं equation. It is a linear equation. So you are doing it for the first time. You are learning it how to solve equation for the first time. Now onwards, in your higher classes, almost in every question, it will be required to solve equations. So that is a very important thing. So you are learning it for the first time. Please be very attentive. So this is an equation. Equation में आपको equal to दिखेगा. Equal to दिखा है आपको equal to?
Yes, sir.
Equal to के दो sides हैं. एक तो equal to से पहले कुछ लिखा होता है. That thing, the side which is on the left hand of equal to, it is known as left hand side. Left hand side, and ये वाला side जो है on the right, this is known as right hand side.
Right hand side.
Left hand side
Okay,
की short form क्या हुई? What is the short form of left hand side?
Sir, the left hand side short form is
LHS. Left hand side की short form क्या हो गई? LHS. Right hand side की short form क्या हो गई? So this is LHS. This is
RHS.
right hand side RHS. Left hand side LHS. So this
LHS.
is RHS. Now one more thing, negative और positive numbers भी आप समझिए क्या होते हैं. Negative numbers कौन से होते हैं? Do you know what are negative numbers? Negative numbers are those जिनमें minus sign लगा होता है. For example, -5. This is a negative number. क्या है? Negative है. +5.
That means these are small from 1 also.
Sir, कौन सा number negative है?
-5 is negative. +5 क्या है? Positive है. Negative और positive में difference समझा रहा हूँ मैं आपको. नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव में डिफरेंस क्या होता है?
Sir, I know.
अगर +5 नहीं लिखा है, केवल 5 लिखा है, सो इज इट नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव?
The positive.
Positive, positive.
The positive.
इट इज पॉजिटिव ओनली। अगर +5 लिखा हो या ओनली 5 लिखा हो, दोनों का मतलब क्या होता है?
Yes, sir.
पॉजिटिव नंबर।
Positive.
लेकिन नेगेटिव के लिए माइनस साइन लगा होगा। ओके,
Okay, sir.
so can you tell me 154 is positive or negative?
Sir, positive.
पॉजिटिव।
Sir, positive.
हाँ, तो नंबर से पहले जो भी साइन है उसको देखना है आपको। यहाँ पर कोई साइन नहीं लिखा है, नंबर से पहले वाले साइन नहीं है, तो दिस इज पॉजिटिव। सीपी यहाँ पर कॉस्ट प्राइस इज नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव? सीपी
Sir, negative.
इट इज
Sir, negative.
1870 नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव?
Uh,
इट इज पॉजिटिव। क्यों है पॉजिटिव?
positive.
क्योंकि इससे पहले कोई साइन नहीं लगा है। बाद वाले साइन को
No,
नहीं
sir.
देखना, आपको पहले वाले साइन को देखना है।
Okay, sir.
70 से पहले कोई साइन नहीं है, so it is positive. This is positive, this is positive, this is negative.
Negative.
Now what do you do to find the value of CP?
Sir, we will be subtracting selling price from the profit and we will get 1716.
आप to find the value of CP आप इसको RHS से LHS में ले आएंगे। तो change the side. To find CP you will have to change the side. लेकिन side जब change करते हैं तो अगर नंबर नेगेटिव है उसको पॉजिटिव बना देंगे, और अगर पॉजिटिव है तो नेगेटिव बना देंगे। व्हेन यू चेंज द साइड्स तो आपको नेगेटिव नंबर को पॉजिटिव बना देना है, पॉजिटिव वाले को नेगेटिव बना देना है। तो सीपी यू टेक टू एलएचएस, इट बिकम्स पॉजिटिव। देखिए मैंने कोई साइन नहीं लगाया, इक्वल टू। अब 154 को, दिस इज 154, इट इज पॉजिटिव। व्हेन आई गो टेक दिस टू आरएचएस, 1870 को मैंने कुछ वो वैसी का वैसी आरएचएस में था पहले भी, अभी भी आरएचएस में, तो इसके साथ कोई साइन चेंज नहीं होगा। 154 को मैं एलएचएस से आरएचएस में लेके जा रहा हूँ, सो इट बिकम्स नेगेटिव। क्लियर और नॉट?
Yes, sir, clear.
कॉस्ट प्राइस नेगेटिव था, एलएचएस में आके पॉजिटिव हो गया। 154 पॉजिटिव था, आरएचएस में जाके नेगेटिव हो गया। उल्टा हो जाता है, व्हेन यू
Negative.
चेंज द साइड साइन क्या हो जाएंगे? उल्टे हो जाएंगे। ओके,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
दिस वाज जस्ट टू एक्सप्लेन यू, इसमें कुछ नहीं नोट करना आपको। ओके, नाउ यू सबट्रैक्ट दिस। CP is equal to rupees 1716. 1716 is the answer. Clear?
Yes, sir, clear. Sir, as you have written and at the board like this only, we have to write in the notebook.
You have to do this question in your notebook, and you can do it any method.
Oh my God.
Anyone, have you all done this? Let's do question number.
Sir, I have done this in the book and now I am writing in the notebook.
Very good.
Sir, me also.
Okay, next question.
Yes, sir.
Question number 2. So in question 2, the selling price is given and the loss is given. Selling price आपको दिया हुआ है
So we will be plusing.
rupees
So we will be plusing.
adding rupees 147 and the loss is also given which is rupees 35. तो वही मेथड लगाएंगे सॉल्व करने के लिए. Now you will write the formula of loss. Loss का formula, what is the formula of loss? It is CP minus SP. So the formula of the values loss कितना है 35 rupees. CP नहीं पता है हमको फाइंड करना है. SP is rupees 147. This is SP.
Okay, sir.
Now, how do you find the value of CP? अब ये 147 को आप LHS में ले आइए. 35 plus 147. 147 यहाँ पर क्या बन गया? Positive because it was negative
CP
in
will
the
be an answer.
and you take it to LHS. और CP को मैंने RHS में था वहीं पर है इसलिए साइन चेंज नहीं करना है. फिर 147 को जब कैलकुलेट
Now the answer.
35 plus 147 it is 180.
180.
That is rupees 180. Again, CP will be
So 180 will be the answer.
Yes,
180,
sir.
182 beta. 252. Daksh Mehrotra, I am removing you from the meeting.
Yes, sir. I checked.
Dakshi, what are you saying? Sorry.
So it was. Yes, sir. You are right that I was saying that the answer is 180, but it is right that 182. I have calculated.
Yes. Who was making these sounds? Daksh Mehrotra आवाज निकाल रहा था ना?
Yes.
Parth Gupta, Daksh Mehrotra was making these sounds.
Yes, sir.
He does this intentionally.
What, sir?
जानबूझ
Yes,
के
sir.
करता है ये.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
जान के ऐसी आवाज निकालता है.
Yes, sir.
But in
Sometimes
every class
he do
twice
Sanidhya and
ma'am removed Daksh.
always.
I also
Ma'am, in
Yes, ma'am.
every class.
And yes, sir. In every class, Sanidhya is also removed and Daksh is also removed.
they both behave
But
like.
ma'am, but sir, Sanidhya is more naughty. He show her sister that
Yes, sir.
and disturb the whole class when she's
Yes,
crying.
So when ma'am or sir asked some question to him, so he never answered.
Sir, he just closed the photo.
Camera.
Do all the parts, everyone. In the same method, you have to do all the parts of this question. Question B, do all the remaining parts. Yes, have you all done?
Yes, sir, I have done. Sir, that's why I am raising my hand.
Others done all the parts?
Yes, sir. So let's see.
Sir, I am doing the third one.
Very good.
Sir, I have rejoined.
दोबारा आ गए नरोत्तरा जी। हाँ भाई, आवाजें निकाल लोगे क्यों भाई?
Yes, sir.
हमारा बर्दाश्त नहीं होती है नरोत्तरा जी। उल्टी सीधी आवाजें निकालते रहते हो।
Sir, for whom you are saying?
मल्होत्रा जी। दक्ष मल्होत्रा।
Yes, sir.
Why do you make these sounds?